Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. 2 years back, I made a video on my dressing table organization. Since then, it has been kept the same way. Although a lot of new makeup and jewelry has been added, but nothing is removed. That means my dressing table needs some serious purging and decluttering. In today's video, I will share few tips and step-by-step process to clean, declutter and organize any dressing table. Let's get started. You would have seen this dressing table earlier, and if you haven't, do check the link in the description box. When I organized it 2 years back, it used to look like this. And over a time, due to usage, restocking and messing around, it has become a little disorganized. My aim today is to clean, declutter and get this dressing table into shape. Let's start. The very first step of cleaning any area is to empty that place. Remove everything. I'm using this table to keep all the stuff.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are.
Once it is empty, clean the dresser thoroughly. Makeup marks and residues make the dresser look dirty. Lipstick marks can be cleaned with nail paint remover.
Since I met you for the first time,
Clean and wipe nicely, including dresser light and mirror. Take the help of vacuum cleaner to clean small particles which are difficult to remove. Now, if you're organizing your dressing table for the first time, then divide items in groups. Categorize all the items like makeup, skincare, hair care, perfumes and deos, hair accessories, hair styling tools, jewelry and extra stock. By keeping them in groups, it will be easy to organize and access things on a daily basis. After grouping items, the next step is to remove and purge items, accessories and makeup you don't use. For instance, this day cream does not suit my skin and gives me breakouts, so I can't use it anymore. This lip color is beautiful, but it makes my lips very dry, so I can't use this either. Many times the decision on buying any new makeup is immediate and impulsive. We see any new makeup and fall in love, but when we actually start using them, sometimes it does not suit our skin or it does not look good on us. Also, we don't feel like disposing of that makeup immediately as we had spent a good amount of money on that. So all that makeup stays unused for years and occupies our precious space. Also, makeup and skin products too have expiry date. Using beyond expiration can also cause damage to our skin. So do check on that and remove items which pass their prime. Also remove empty bottles and damaged items. To organize bindi packs, I use this type of flip card holder. Remove the plastic films with bindis from the packs and insert them in individual pockets. This flip bindi album keeps all the bindis organized in one place, occupy less space and is very convenient to use. Now clean all the organizers such as baskets, makeup and lipstick organizers, boxes, etc. Makeup palettes and makeup items such as lipsticks, nail paints can be cleaned and disinfected using disinfectant wipes. They get dirty with frequent touches and can have makeup stains on them. Also, don't forget to clean all the makeup brushes and sponges. To clean, take some warm water, use any mild shampoo or baby shampoo, few drops of tea tree oil and few drops of olive oil. Tea tree oil has antifungal properties and olive oil will help keep all the brushes soft and won't let their hair become hard. Dip the brushes and clean them using any old rough towel like this. All the makeup stick to brushes will get cleaned nicely. Same way, clean all the makeup sponges. They get really dirty with frequent use and need to be cleaned and disinfected often. Now combs and brushes also need to be cleaned often. Make a solution of mild shampoo and water, add some drops of tea tree oil and dip all the combs in it for 30 minutes. Now clean them using any old toothbrush. Also clean all the hair accessories like rubber bands, clips, etc. Remove all the hair strands from them. You can also wash them if you wish to. Now the next step is for people like me who keep artificial jewelry also in the same dressing table. I've recently bought some new jewelry from Meesho and I need to make space for that. And for that I need to purge some jewelry which I don't wear anymore. It is a very important step as we keep hoarding things but do not purge, which leads to a traffic jam and unorganized space. Like this Kundan set I bought before my marriage and I didn't wear it even once, and I'm sure I'm not going to wear it in future also. So removing that and some other pieces as well. With some items we are just too attached, though we don't use them anymore. They just occupy space but nothing else. Like this anklet I bought in 2001 and these earrings in 2002 from Muscat. But I think it's time to say goodbye to them. Now that I have some empty space, I can organize my new jewelry sets in this. By using individual pouches, jewelry sets can stay protected from dust and moisture. This is the bangle box and lot of bangles I don't wear at all, so separating them as well. Now I can keep my new bangles easily in this box. Emptying small plastic boxes as well, which occupy a lot of space. This is the earring box, purging and organizing that also by removing everything first and cleaning it. Statement necklaces also should be kept either in separate pouches or in this type of section box. For Mangal Sutras, I am making a separate box with individual sections for easy access, which will also keep them tangle free. Made a separate box for oxidized jewelry, which I use regularly. I have stored my new bangles also in this. It is very important to segregate all the daily wear jewelry and occasional wear jewelry for the ease of access. Lot of unused jewelry is removed now. All the jewelry and accessories which are in good condition can be shared with your family members or donated. Now we all buy extra things in advance like combs, wipes, makeup pads, brushes, etc. It is important to keep the extra stock in a separate box. Like one kajal is enough for daily use. Keep the spare one in a separate box. Same way I have made a separate pouch for extra stock of hair accessories. We don't need lot of tic tacs, clips, rubber bands every day. Store them in a separate dedicated pouch or box. Once all the items are categorized and kept properly in individual baskets, it's time to organize them. Prioritize frequently needed items first and store them in easy to access places. Like daily and frequently needed items, I'm storing in these two shelves like perfumes, sprays, my makeup brushes, hair care and skincare products. When needed, it is very easy for me and my husband to access them from here. All the makeup items are kept in this drawer. I have used all my old organizers only as I was comfortable with that setup. Also, I always place anti-slip liners in all the drawers and shelves. These liners help keeping the space clean and don't let the items move from their places. All the hair accessories are kept in this drawer. I've also kept the small pouch here, which I use when I'm going out and quickly need to grab some makeup. Upper shelf will be used for storing extra stock and this pouch of jewelry sets which are used occasionally. I've also kept this small vanity bag ready with few toiletries and travel essentials. It is very convenient and helpful for instant travel plans. I've kept this also on the top shelf. Lower shelves are used for storing boxes of necklaces and bangles, hairstyling tools and hair accessories which are used occasionally. This part of my dressing table is used frequently. Here in this drawer, I have kept these boxes with all the earrings. I use them mostly for shoots, so this place is very convenient to access. As I have enough space inside the dressing cabinet, I would like to keep the counter space free except the small cute organizer which I use to store few studs, chain, rings which I wear on daily basis but like to remove them before going to bed. I've also placed few command hooks on the door to hang few items like nail clipper, small scissor, hairband, etc. With this, cleaning, decluttering and organizing of my dressing table is done. It is fun to extract more space out of the same space and looks so soothing when the space gets a makeover, isn't it?
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet what's all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time.
Some of my latest jewelry collection is from Meesho. Let me show you one by one what all I got. I got these beautiful oxidized bangles and these jhumkas which are my current favorite and goes well with ethnic as well as Indo-Western clothes. I've got these 4 sleek Mangalsutras with beautiful pendants at such unbelievable and affordable prices. Really liked all the pieces. Now let's come to the jewelry sets. I really like these sets. They look gorgeous and royal. Really love the design, especially the pendants of both the sets. Earrings are also gorgeous. I've also got these silk bangles from Meesho which are so beautiful. Love this black one a lot. I was so excited to attend a family wedding this summer vacation and that was the reason to get these beautiful pieces of jewelry. But after lots of planning, we still couldn't travel to attend. Little disappointed, but I'm going to keep them properly for the next function. If you wish to buy any of these items, I have given the details in the description box. Meesho has a lot of good collection in jewelry section as well as in other categories. You can also become a Meesho reseller and start your own business from home. Share catalog with your friends and family and start taking orders. Meesho will deliver orders on your behalf to your customers and will credit your margin in your bank account. To know more about Meesho and to download the app, please check the description box. Hope you found this video helpful. Please give a big thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.